Acting Chief Justice Roxanne Wiltshire says since the official opening of the Sexual Offences Court on November 13, 2017, and with the installation of modern technology, operations have been efficient thus far. Details from Stacey Carmichael.
Acting Chief Justice Roxanne Wiltshire said to date 7 trials have been heard, with 5 convictions in the Sexual Offences Court. The average length of a trial currently stands at 4 days. The longest trial has been 8 days and the shortest 3 days.
We think the court is working fairly well. We're going to be doing an analysis of the stats for the court in the coming weeks to get an assessment of how it's, a formal assessment of how it's working. But from all reports, it is going fairly smoothly.
The purpose-driven court is equipped with modern technology, eliminating the need for the judge to manually record the proceedings, Justice Wiltshire explained.
It has recording facilities so that the judge does not have to write the evidence manually in manuscript. It has a audio-visual room, so that which is a special measures room, from which the witnesses can testify.
Justice Simone Morris Ramlal presently presides over the Sexual Offences Court. The court is housed in the Supreme Court and represents the commitment of the judiciary to be responsive to the concerns raised in society about the conduct of trials of sexual offences cases. Chancellor of the Judiciary Justice Yonit Cummings Edwards, at the opening of the court in November last year, said victims and witnesses of sexual offences require specialist treatment. Justice Morris Ramlal said if the process is not handled carefully, it can pose secondary trauma to them. As such, the idea of a specialist court dealing with everyone involved was birthed, a court that would provide justice for all, she noted. For InfoHub, Stacey Carmichael.